And I want everybody to know that just because we were the faraway ones, we were the ones in Alaska, we were the ones that were farther than everybody else, it didn't mean I didn't love my grandmother.
That's right.
When we did get here, we were at Grandma.
That's right.
I can remember running up and down the street with my cousins, and I never got caught, but I could run. And it wasn't even dark yet. And Grandma would catch her and say, "It's time to take a bath." And we said, "It's time to go in already." What did I say? She'd take you in, she'd wash you up, hair always got wet, and then here it goes, the comb part to the side, because she never could get it straight. Plait on plait on plait on plait back. I see where my mother got her hair from. But I love my grandmother, and it hurt. So for all of those that used to get their hair done by Grandma, they can remember the plaits going back in the tubes, and that's all she could do. I love you, Grandma. And I just want everybody to know that to my aunts and my uncles, I may not be here, but you guys know from the bottom of my heart that I love you guys. And I know you guys are getting older, but that still doesn't mean that I don't love y'all no more, or no less than any of those that you get to spend that time with. So from the bottom of my heart,
That's all right, Peggy. You all right, Peggy.
I just can't be here that often. So
You all right, Peggy? You all right? You all right?